other animals supporting food webs. Decomposers, scavengers break down dead organic matter, recycling ingredients. Pollinators, insects and other animals facilitate plant reproduction. Seed dispersers, animals contribute to plant dispersal, influencing plant distribution. So, kita talang kahibang sa predators, right? Yes.
Laban na.
Sama siya.
Ano na sa ina?
Sumra kita panaliman, kita mamalitag at ang kanilos. And then ang third is ang pagkaon. And then ang decomposers is more is lang marag. Wala. Ang kanin dispersers no, marag sila ang disperse sa atong and then adaptations of animals. Animals have evolved a wide range of adaptations to survive in diverse environments. First is physical adaptation. Structural features like camouflage, specialized skins, and body coverings. Example is the fur, feathers, and scales. So, murag na siguro tayo animals na paano camouflage?
Yes.
Ano siya? Pavilion. And then, ang feathers, sa kaya ni kay Kuan. Masalaras kay mga birds. And then, sunod is ang behavioral adaptations. Actions like migration, hibernation, and social behaviors. So, kaning kapalang ta sa migration ng bird mo separate ang isa ka organism sa in or out population. And then, sunod is the physiological adaptations. Internal processes such as thermocirculation, water balance, and these toxins resistance. So ang sa tuwa pa, iba na sa mga bad systems. So, kani si physiological adaptations, siguro na siya ka ng tiglos na sa ato ang toxins sa ato ang body. Animals are classified by development of tissues, symmetry, body cavities, and anatomical features. So, mura po discard sa ato, natay ato ang tissues. Sa symmetry na to is ikon mata, ikon mata or dili, atong body cavities, and ang ato ang anatomical features means ang ato ang anatomical features is not the structures and functions. Importance of studying Animalia. Studying animals is crucial for several reasons. First is understanding biodiversity, conservation efforts, medical advances, and economic benefits. So, in understanding biodiversity, research helps us understand the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the interconnectedness of species. Conservation efforts, knowledge of animal behavior and ecology is essential for effective conservation strategies. Medical advances, animals models are used in medical research leading to breakthroughs in human health, and thus is economic benefits. Many industries, such as agriculture and fisheries, rely on animal resources. So, importante po din nato fisheries, innovative fisheries in studying Animalia. Kaya, since kita fisheries, one man ta more on conserving ng taliban. Conserving and preserving the aquatic resources na sa ato ang palibot. So, we must study the kingdom Animalia. And then sa summary of Animalia, the kingdom Animalia represents an astonishing array importance of study. And importance of studying Animalia is crucial for several reasons. Sunod is ang kingdom protista.
Kingdom protista. So protists are a group of all the eukaryotes that are not fungi, animals, or plants. So siyang pinsa sa unit sa lima ka kingdom kaya ang kanang nasa suot niya kay dito siya pure fungi, animals, or plants. animal-like na sila, fungi-like or plants-like. Ang nakuha nila ay parehas sila ibang mga ng kaguling nilang food, photosynthesis. Nga pero dito mo sila matawag 100% nga plants, animals, or fungi. The eukaryotes that make up this kingdom Protista do not have much in common besides a relatively simple organization. Protists can look very different from each other. Some are tiny and unicellular, like an amoeba, and some are large and multicellular, like seaweed. However, multicellular protists do not have highly specialized tissue or organs. This simple cellular level organization distinguishes protists from another eukaryotes such as fungi, animals, and plants. There are also between 60,000 and 200,000 protist species and may have yet to be identified. Protists live in almost an environment that contains liquid water. Many protists such as algae are photosynthetic and are vital producers in existence. Other protists are responsible for a range of serious human diseases such as malaria and sleeping sickness. So, the term Protista was first used by Ernst Haeckel in 1866. Protists were traditionally placed into one of several groups based on similarities to a plant, animal, or fungus. The animal like protozoa, the plants like protophyta, mostly algae, and the fungus like slime molds and water molds. So, kingdom Protista includes all eukaryotes that are not animals, plants, or fungi. Kingdom Protista is very diverse. It consists of both single-celled and multicellular organisms. So, ang characteristics of protist ay eukaryotic. So, ang protists have a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Mostly unicellular, some are multicellular like kelp. Diverse nutrition. Can be autotrophic, make their own food. Kaya ito ang magsalig ka ng basa ng photosynthesis. Or heterotrophic, consume other organism. Kaya mabuhay na sila ng mukhaon sa other organism. Di sila mga sila kagaling food. So, different modes of movements. Eucelia, flagella, or pseudopodia for movement. Asexual and sexual reproduction. Some produce through binary fission, while others use conjugation. So, ang general characteristics of other characteristics of protista na varied locomotion. Protists employ various methods of movements including flagella, cilia, and pseudopodia.
Taxonomic classification. The classification of protists is complex and constantly evolving. The traditional kingdom Protista is now considered paraphyletic, meaning it doesn't include all descendants of a common ancestor. Modern classifications often divide protists into several supergroups based on molecular data and evolutionary relationships. These supergroups are not always consistent often decomposers and exhibit unique life cycles. So, mo din sila mga example. Ang salvi, slime-like mamot kay Karen, gaya ng si Protozoa, basta maaalis siya ang example sa Protozoa, algae, and slime molds. Ecological roles of protists. So dito ni mawa si primary producer, no? Algae produce oxygen and serve as food for aquatic life. Decomposers, slime molds and water molds break down dead materials. Symbiotic relationships. Some live inside other organisms. Example, kay mga termites rely on protists to digest food. Then, pathogens. Some causes diseases. So, dili ka ng protist di ay kay kanang nakatabang. Ang bali ay kay cause ng disease sa an example in pathogens like Plasmodium cause malaria. Adaptations of protists, cilia and planta help improvement in breeding. So, kapano man mo ni sila patriyan na kumilyan ito ba? Una siya, mawit ang makamove mo sila sa kasakay na asasilia o sila. Contractile vacuum regulates water balance with branch and other proteins. So, in the word vacuum, naan siya sa storage na makaregulate or mabalance sa kanang wato siya, murad siya kanang decompose o mga bitaw mga murag nagamit na din murag mo alit mo makapin na po siya of fresh water. And then chloroplasts allow photosynthetic proteins to make food. Then cysts, some form protective seeds to spark hash on liquids. So kani si cyst kay murag po siya cellphone ni proteins. Pero kani si proteins kay wal dili ka murag po siya si animalia pero murag basta si proteins of ania cell wall kay si animalia kay lack man siya sa
Could you please explain further the reproduction because it is animals?